What's up everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to be talking about the easiest way to apply some ceramic protection to your car. Now, right off the bat guys, this is not a full-blown ceramic coating, but it does have the same active ingredient as a ceramic coating, and it is super easy to apply, super hydrophobic, incredibly easy to use, smells good, all that kind of good stuff. I've actually talked about this product in the past in multiple videos, but I wanted to do a dedicated video on it just to show kind of the process that I use for this product, how fast it is to use, and just kind of cover all the bases on that. Now again guys, I want to clarify, this is not the same as a full-blown ceramic coating. It is just the active ingredient, which is the SiO2, or just like a silica infused product. So basically what that means is that active ingredient is in this product in a small dose compared to a ceramic coating. Usually comes in a little bottle, right? And that will have a much higher concentration of that active ingredient in it. And then the rest of it is just a carrying agent, so you can actually spread it along. That part flashes out, you buff it out, and then you're good to go. That's a full-blown, like real deal ceramic coating that will last 3 years, 5 years, or more. This is not that, but this product is cheap. It is easy to apply, meaning it's like, even if it doesn't have the longevity of staying power, it doesn't matter because I literally use it every wash. On my retail customers, for my detail business, they don't even know it, but I use this as a final wipe down. I'll tell them like, hey, we're adding some sort of protection to the vehicle, even on their basic washes. I'll use this as my final detail spray, but they're getting protection from this product. If you know what I'm talking about, comment down below, guys. I'm sure some of you already do if you watched other videos of mine. But we are talking about Technician's Choice. It's their TEC 582 ceramic detail spray. I just have it in a regular blank bottle here from Carglaw, actually. This is their bottles. But that product, I buy it in a 5-gallon block, basically. And I go through it. I use it all the time. It's a fantastic product and I absolutely love it. All right guys, so do you get the same performance out of it as a regular ceramic coating? The hardness, all that kind of stuff? No, this isn't gonna achieve the same 9H hardness as those types of products, but it will provide a fair amount of protection. It's gonna give you good protection, but it will give you more hydrophobic properties, more slickness than some ceramic coatings. It kind of varies between all the different brands. Certain products are really slick, some of them aren't that slick, and you need to put a product over the top of them. So this one you can use as a standalone product like I'm gonna show you today. You can also use it as a ceramic booster. So you know, every 6 months or whatever, you can apply this to your ceramic coated vehicle and it'll help enhance it. And then I actually again, I've done a video on this in the past. I use this off label. I even use it on interiors and stuff. So fantastic product. Let's go ahead and jump into it. I have a Mini Cooper outside, my neighbor's Mini Cooper, and I'm gonna show you his car. I just washed it off and you'll see I'm gonna spray it down, and it's just the water's just gonna lay flat on it. It's not gonna, there's not any protection on it. And I'm gonna show you just by spraying this product onto the panel what it can achieve. And as always guys, if you like these types of videos, anything related to car detailing, tips, tricks, how-tos, and product reviews, please consider subscribing. I really appreciate it. Now let's get back to it. Okay guys, before we go to the car, I just want to touch base. This one, I'm going to be applying it just to a wet vehicle. However, if the vehicle doesn't have anything on it yet, typically I would like to dry it down, and then I would spray the product directly onto a microfiber towel or onto the panel, buff it in, so you're getting a heavy concentration, you're getting a big application on that first application. Afterwards, you can do it this way and it works perfectly. You can do it this way right off the bat. I don't know, for my ease of mind, I like doing it the other way. I don't know if it actually makes a difference. I just feel like it's going on more. All right guys, so here's the vehicle. I'm gonna go ahead and spray it. I'm gonna use my phone so you guys can see it a little bit better up close. But there's barely any protection on this. The water's not really beating off. It's very slow to move off the panel. So I'm gonna get you a good video of that, and then we'll spray it down and I'll show you just how easy it is to add that hydrophobic property, the SiO2 or ceramic based properties and protection to your car's paint. All right, so here it is. And you can see how the water is reacting. It's just sitting on the panel, sitting on the panel, sitting on the panel. It's starting to come off over there, but just really sitting on the panel. Now I'm gonna go ahead and grab my SiO2 ceramic detail spray from Technician's Choice. All right, so right here guys, I'm gonna show you just how amazing this product is. So you remember how it was reacting before. I'm gonna go ahead and spray this, and you'll see these spots immediately start to wanna break up. You see that? So I'm just gonna spray this down really quickly. And this stuff is great because you can apply it a few different ways. Now, this is not the way I would typically apply it. For our first application, usually I would apply it by hand, put it on a microfiber towel and rub it in. But in this case, this is gonna work out fantastic. I'll show you guys now, just from that quick spray. So I washed the vehicle, rinsed it off, put the ceramic detail spray on it from Technician's Choice. And I'm gonna go ahead and rinse it and watch how the water reacts now after I sprayed it on there. As you can see, it's completely protected now. Nice water beading, and a lot of stuff has just come off of it too. So really just a fantastic, easy way to do it. So now I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest of the car. I'm just gonna spray it on and then I'll dry it off. And then typically what I'll do is I'll put a little bit more on a microfiber towel and just do it as a final detail wipe, but you're still adding this protection on that way as well. So here we go. So as you guys can see, that took me all of 30 seconds to do. Now I'm gonna immediately go ahead and rinse it all off and then we'll dry and it'll be good to go. Again, like I said, I always do a final wipe down with a little bit on a microfiber towel as my detail to pick up any leftover spots, any drips, anything like that. So here we go. So as you guys can see, fantastic results. The beading is crazy. Everything just wants to come off. Now you saw when I did spray it down, I sprayed it on the windows and everything else. I don't specifically try and spray it on the windows. I actually try and keep it off, but if overspray gets onto them, it's not a big deal. You're rinsing it off right away anyways. And if you are applying this way, you do want to be mindful that it can leave, if you're not using a pressure wash that has a lot of GPM, then it can leave a little bit of a film. So you're definitely going to want to go through and dry it off after that, and then do a final wipe. But in this case, on this color, it's no issue. And plus I'm going to be doing that whole other step anyway. So here we go. Going to go and dry it off now. All right, so I went ahead and dried it with my drying towel. I used a twist loop drying towel. The one I used, the blue one, the teal color, is from the Rag Company, I believe. I'll link it down in the description for you guys below. I love that thing. MaxShine has one that's purple that's basically the exact same thing. A few other brands as well, but I love those towels. Twist loop's the way to go. They absorb the most water. Now I have these two towels here. These are just basic 300 GSM 80-20 blend edgeless microfiber towel. I sell these on my site. I'll have those linked down in the description below, but I'll also link ones on Amazon that are exact same thing, 80-20 blend 300 GSM edgeless. So you can get them there as well. What I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna spray some of the ceramic detail spray right onto one, just a light mist of it, right? We don't have to go crazy here, just a couple. There you go, that's it. And I'm gonna go ahead and wipe the vehicle down, follow up with the dry one right behind it, and we'll be good to go. All right, guys, so there you have it. Technician's Choice Tech 582. 582? I believe it's 582. Ceramic detail spray. I love this stuff. They actually have a graphene detail spray as well. And graphene, I don't know, guys. I've talked to a lot of different product manufacturers, blenders, and for the most part, most of them say the difference between a graphene product and a ceramic product, there's not much of a difference at all. It's just the graphene's the new key word. It performs amazingly well. It's just, is it worth more than a ceramic coating? And it's up to debate. Now, I've talked to you guys about it, the MaxShine graphene ceramic coating in the past. I absolutely love that product. performs extremely well, super slick right off the bat. Water just wants to bounce right off of it, works great. And they have the keyword graphene there. There's definitely graphene in it. Is that making a huge benefit over just the ceramic? I don't know, but that product specifically is fantastic. I know other ones, I know Adams has a graphene ceramic as well that I've heard nothing but great things about. So, but that's it guys, just as a quick option for you. Product like this, I love it. This is my typical detail spray. Like I said, just do it fine tuning, getting all those little fine last minute things that make the vehicle pop. And then you can come out and tell the customer, yeah, touch the vehicle, super slick, fantastic product. So check it out. If you haven't used it, give it a shot. I guarantee you're gonna like it. But that's it guys. Everything will be linked in the description below. I hope that video helps. Please make sure to like the video, make sure you subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and we'll see you on the next one.